Hey, good morning. It's early Saturday morning, about 6 a.m., 6:30, and this is a weather alert day. We've been enjoying weather here in the Myrtle Beach area in the 60s, 70s, and even the 80s, but there's a powerful cold front coming down from Canada that's sweeping through this area. So you can see the cold front sweeping down from the Canadian area. There's snow back here. There's severe thunderstorms right here, and we have the potential for severe weather this morning, including the possibility of tornadoes. Now, if you zoom into our area, you can see that there's a cold front to the west with severe thunderstorms, straight line winds with gusts in the 50s, and the possibility of tornadoes, as I said. And this is heading in our direction. Now right now it's a beautiful, warm and muggy 70 degrees. But by tomorrow morning, it's supposed to be down in the 20s.
That's cold.
Let's take a walk outside and see what's going on right now. It feels really warm and muggy right now, and the winds are kicking up as the front approaches. But right now I'd say it's pretty calm compared to what we expect. Just a little wind at the moment. All right, it's about 8 a.m. and the winds are really picking up. Take a look at the radar. You can see the front is getting closer. Let's take a walk out back and show you the winds. Pretty impressive. Now, we always worry that with winds like these tall pine trees will topple and smash our house. Supposedly, the upper atmosphere has winds between 100 and 200 miles an hour. You can see the clouds really moving. I'd say the winds on the surface here are easily gusting to 40 and 50 miles an hour right now. Actually, after the storm, we learned that these gusts that you're seeing were actually in the 60-mile-an-hour range. Unfortunately, these kind of conditions are ripe for the development of tornadoes. And right now there is a tornado warning in effect. All right, quick update. It's almost 9 a.m. and the front is almost upon us. Take a look. As the front got closer, the winds became worse, as you can see by our neighbor's flag. All right, the front is here. Let's take a look outside. Now, the interesting thing is that when the front arrived and the rain started, the winds actually improved. It was a good soaking rain. Now, when the front finally passed, the sun came out and we decided to take a walk. But as you can see, the wind had kicked up again. We wanted to see if there was any damage from the storm, and we found only one casualty, the Porta Potties.
Oh, thank God, a porta potty.
Every porta potty on the nearby construction site had been toppled by the wind. It was a sad day for those with bladder issues. Well, good morning. Welcome to Daylight Savings Time and a very cold morning here in the Myrtle Beach area. It went down to 28 degrees last night. Currently it's around 32. So it's going to be a cooler week than we have been having, and there's more storms coming later in the week. So not the best week to come to Myrtle Beach to visit, although it is clear, the sun is out, and you can see it's going to be a beautiful day as far as the sunshine. But fortunately no tornadoes, just a lot of wind and rain, and everything's okay. Hopefully some of the plants won't be damaged. We did cover up this plant overnight because of the cold. Otherwise, hope everyone has a great day and a great week. Thanks for watching. Until next time, safe travels.